It's time to stop. No, really, it is time to stop. I've been having so many problems with my engines from Sodor, I'm sorry to say. Now, you got a little bit of a taste of this last year. I think it was Thomas and Duck who were just fighting with each other and not getting on. And I put them head to head in a race against each other to try and settle things. And for a time that seemed to work, things went quiet. But now it's worse than it ever was before. And every time I come up into the loft, all I can hear is, my paintwork is nicer than yours. Only I'm allowed at the front of the engine. I'm not pulling goods. I'm only pulling posh people. I'm bigger than you, I'm smarter than you, I'm always on time. And to be honest with you, it just grates on the atmosphere. I said this last year, it just gets on my nerves and it just spoils the atmosphere. It's a negative working environment for everybody basically. So I've decided I need to fix this problem. Now, there's a problem with several engines, but I think it's probably Gordon that is the ringleader. It's him that causes a lot of the problems, and I think it's him with the biggest ego. It is a matter of ego, I think. So I've decided that I'm going to take him down a peg, and I'm hoping he can't hear me at the moment, but what I've decided to do is set up some really, really nasty jobs for him to do. Jobs, dirty jobs that I know he will really hate doing. So what I've done is I've sent him a note. I don't know how he's managed to receive and read this note, but I sent him a note anyway saying, you know, I've got some really, really important jobs. Can you come and meet me and do them? And in fact, about 30 seconds after I sent him this note, it was a very fast response. Again, no idea how he's managed to write this, but I got this this envelope back. It says Sam on the front and it's written in soot. No, I guess that makes sense because he's around coal and such. So yeah, let's have a look. Let's see what Gordon's reply is. Right, well, it's very well written. It seems Gordon can use a computer. It's typed. So it says, Dear Sam, I would love to come and help you with your special jobs. You have picked the best engine on Sodor for style, punctuality and strength. A wise choice. Yours sincerely, King Gordon of Sodor. I'm sorry, King Gordon of Sodor. So yeah, that does it. We really have got to take him down a peg or two. Where is he? Ah, here we go. Right, here we go. Are you ready for this? He's not going to like it. Oh, hello, Gordon. It's very, very nice. You're looking so dapper today. How wonderful you look. Well, yes, as I say, I've got some very, very special jobs for you today. But there is one rule, okay? And you have to stick by this rule. You've got to do everything I say. Well, obviously. You've got to do everything I say, but you're not allowed to say a word. Because you do this, I give you a job to do, and you've always got some little comment about what I've told you have to do, right? So you do it today without saying a word. And don't worry, you know, there's a lot of special jobs. I know you'll really enjoy doing them. So anyway, the first one, here we go. There's some trees that have fallen over up Toy Town North. They're covering the line and they're stopping Oliver from getting through with his passenger train. So what I want you to do is go and grab the plough. I've got a plough set up for you in one of the sidings, and I want you to move the trees out of the way. Okay, so once the trees are out of the way and the engines can get through, once Oliver's managed to take his passenger train through, I want you to take the trees away for them to be disposed of, okay? There's no need to look like that. I've got some builders. I found some builders. They're going to help you get the plough set up, and they'll also tie the trees to the back of your tender so that you can drag them away. Dragging trees along with... Gordon, what did I say? No speaking. Remember the first rule. Right, go and get the plough then and get started. Let's see if you can do this. Okay, Gordon, you need to approach the snowplough very slowly and carefully because it's very, very heavy. Okay, are you coupled to it? Just go back a little bit. Yes, I think you are. Okay, head around the layout then, towards where the trees have fallen, of course. Keep it nice and slow. You want to be steady, Gordon. Very good, Mr. Gordon. Nice and easy. And don't worry, it's not a real shark. That's just its face. Alright, Gordon, you're approaching the fallen trees very, very soon, so let's see if this actually works. Hopefully you will actually be able to shift them with that snowplow. Fingers crossed, let's hope so. Alright, here we go. Push, Gordon, push. Well, you've made some progress, let's try that again. Oh no, Gordon. Go on, connect to it this time. Alright, I think we might need a little bit more speed. I think actually, Gordon, you might have made the problem a little bit worse. The trees rolled back onto the track and it's now covering more of it. Come on, Gordon. Oh, this is too difficult. There we go. That was a bit more of a success. Well done, Gordon. All right then, Gordon, we might as well clear the other line while we're at it, and then the trains can get started again. There we go. Very well done. All right, Oliver. Gordon's going to take the snowplow out of here, and you can carry your passengers now to their destination. Sorry about all the delays, Oliver. Hopefully now you can get through, though, so go nice and slow until you pass the trees, and hopefully it'll all be okay. There we go. See you later then, Oliver. And now Gordon's going to come back and take all of these fallen trees away for us. Go on then, Mr. Express Engine. Let's see you take some trees away. Oh, very good, Gordon. Very good. Okay, Gordon, that was very, very well done. Do you want to come back here and I'll give you your second job? That wasn't so bad at all, was it? You see, I'm sure you quite enjoyed doing that. I know I would have done. Right, are you ready then? Next job. Okay, you won't like the sound of this, but give me chance, all right? So, there's a rat. Yes, there is a rat. It's been on the railway, it's been eating the buildings, and it's causing a lot of trouble, right? So I need to find a way to get rid of this rat in the most diabolical way possible, okay? So I've got a bit of a plan, right? My plan is, I'm going to feed it. I'm going to feed this rat. And there is I mean, it sounds like a bit counterproductive to feed a rat if it's causing problems, but I've got a little agreement with this rat. If I give him a good meal, and it's got to be a good, quite heavy meal, he's agreed to go away and live somewhere else, and he's going to stop eating my buildings and things, and, you know, that's our agreement, okay? So, there's a big cheese train, Gordon. It's parked in one of the sidings, in fact, over there. I want you to go and pick up the cheese train and then deliver the cheese so the rat can come and eat it, okay? Nice job feeding rats. Go on then, Gordon. Take it away. Go on then, Gordon. Nice and steady. This really does take Meals on Wheels to an all new level, doesn't it? Okay, are you coupled to the rat food train? I mean the cheese train? Yes, I think so. Go on then, take it away. Nice and gently, Gordon. We don't want to spill any crumbs. Oh, excellent work, Gordon. This really is a job perfectly befitting of such a large express engine such as you are. There we go. Just pop them there then. We need to leave these pieces of cheese somewhere where the rat will find them, and I think here is a perfect spot. So let's unload. Oh, brilliant. I think the rat is going to be really pleased with that. Okay, off you go then, Gordon. Head round back to me, and I'll give you the next job. Oh, Gordon, hang on one second. Just stop. You do realise that wasn't a rat, don't you? That was just a hamster, and they don't eat cheese. Just thought you might like to know that. Go on then, carry on. Oh, Gordon, you're doing this like a champ. You really are the best engine for this job. Okay, so that's two quite rough jobs out of the way. I hope you enjoyed doing those nonetheless though, Gordon. So as a bit of a treat, I've got one last job for you. It's quite a nice little job, I reckon, this one. I think you're going to enjoy it. It's a big, posh passenger train. Ooh. I know, that's absolutely your cup of tea. It's a train of Pullmans, you can see them there. So yeah, very, very posh. Now, it is going to be a double header, okay, which I know you don't mind doing, but at the front of this train is going to be Mavis. Oh. That's it, yes, Mavis, the dirty diesel shunter. Hi, Gordon. Hello, Mavis. Gordon, you promised not to talk. Right, Mavis, jump onto the front of the train then. I know Gordon will really, really enjoy being behind you for this little double heading session. So yeah, take it away and let's see if we can't get these very, very excited passengers to their destination on time. I'm sure they're really, really looking forward to being hauled by the mighty Gordon, and of course seeing him in such a grand position just there behind Mavis, the dirty little shunter. All right, take it away, Gordon, take it away. Ah yes, here we go, this is what it's all about. Oh, Mavis, you are looking very, very good there. And just between me and you, Mavis, I really hope you enjoy being the front engine today. I suppose you deserve it, really, having been so modest. Okay then, you two, let's get started with the Mavis Express. Here we go. Let's deliver all these passengers on time. Fantastic. Ah, look at this. This is the life. This is style, isn't it? What can you see, Gordon? Ah, best not to answer that, perhaps. There we go. What a team. We ought to do this more often. Watch it, Gordon. I think there might be a wasp just in front of your face there. Can you see it? Ah, no, that's Mavis. Sorry, Gordon, not to worry. I think diesels do make for the best passenger trains, certainly the most luxurious ones. What do you think, Gordon? And there we go, you have arrived at Toy Town. Absolutely tremendous. Well done, you two. I think that was, well, probably the most stylish train I've ever run on this channel before. Right, Gordon is absolutely fuming. He's finished pulling his passenger train and he's absolutely he's gone. I don't even know where he is. I think he's back up on his shelf by the looks of it. He really did not like that. So I think the other engines will pretty much get the message. I'm sure they will. No doubt though we'll have some more trouble in the future, and it's also James and Spencer, by the way, which cause a lot of trouble. So if you've got any ideas on what I could do to those to take those down a peg or two, do let me know down in the comments. But for now, I think Gordon is a little bit more humble than he was to start with, which is always a good sign. Not that it will last. Normally he starts off with his old behaviour again before very long. But we tried. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you very, very soon. Cheers, everybody.